To get the most out of DigitalOcean managed MongoDB, it is essential to follow best practices that ensure high performance, security, and reliability. First, choose the right cluster configuration. Considering factors such as instance size, node count, and storage capacity, a well-configured cluster will help you handle your workload efficiently and scale as needed. Next, focus on security, starting with enabling authentication and authorization to control access to your database. Use strong passwords, limit access to specific IP addresses, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. Regular backups are also crucial to prevent data loss in case of unexpected events. DigitalOcean managed MongoDB provides automated backups, but it is recommended to also set up manual backups for extra peace of mind. Monitoring and maintenance are equally important to ensure your database runs smoothly. Use monitoring tools to track performance metrics, such as CPU usage, memory usage, and disk space, and set up alerts for potential issues. Regularly update your cluster to the latest version of MongoDB to take advantage of new features and security patches. Finally, optimize your database for performance by using indexes, aggregations, and caching. Use explain plans to analyze query performance and identify areas for improvement. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of DigitalOcean managed MongoDB and ensure a secure, high-performance, and reliable database for your applications. Remember to stay up to date with the latest features and best practices to continuously improve your database management skills.